family, thank you for tuning in to this channel. If today is your first time tuning in to this channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest update. Like, share and leave your comment down below. Yes, your comments are very important to us. If you have any question, please drop it under the comment section and I will humbly answer you. Here, I teach about herbs and I give you the full details of herbs. That is how you can use herbs to solve your problem. How you can use herbs to deal with any sort of issue that you are in, that you are facing, that you are battling with. That is what I do here. My teachings is not based on any religion, so it does not have any religious restriction. So if you are Christian, you can do it. If you are Muslims, you can participate in it. Hindu, you can practice it. Voodoo, you are not left out. So that is why our motto is one love. We all do the same thing without any side effect. That is what it is. Today our topic is about how we can use cassava leaves to make money. To make good money. Yes, cassava leaf is very powerful herbs as far as herbs are concerned. Cassava leaves work magic. There are a lot of people who work like an elephant but eat like an ant. Yes, they work hard but the income is very small. The income is as small as an ant. That is why I just did that comparison. Yes, if you are such a person, don't worry. And some people, if money touches their hand, the money just vanish without giving them a notice. And it is very, disgusting when such a thing happens. Some even finish their salary before the next one comes in. If you are part of those group or those associations, don't worry. Please kindly pay attention and watch this video till the end. Just go and get enough cassava leaves. Get enough cassava leaves. Then go to the market and buy black soap. When I say black soap, I hope you know what I mean. Yes, in Ghana it is called alatasimina. Go and buy black soap. If you get the black soap, excuse me. If you get the black soap, just get your mortar, when I say mortar, because we are going to pound the cassava leaves. So put the cassava leaves in the mortar and start pounding it. When it's cool, when you consider it normal, then you add the black soap to it. Add the black soap to the cassava leaves and keep pounding until they are uniformly mixed. When you see that they are uniformly made, then you just remove them and put them into a plate or any bowl or any container. Now this is what you are going to do. You keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, whenever you wake up, you just wash your hands with the soap. Then you pray that anytime you get money, let me just let me use the money well. Let money stay in my hand. Let me get enough money. Let me get enough money. Let money stay in my hand. Let me have the power to control money. Let money be my friend. Let money always locate me. Then you wash your hand. You do such a thing for 7 days. Yes, anytime you wake up, you wash your hand, then you say your prayers. You do that for 7 days. But make sure you finish everything. Yes, within the 7 days. You finish everything within the 7 days. At the end of the 7 days, the soap must be finished. That is what I mean. Finish it. You don't have to, keep some of the soap for future use. No, you will just finish it. Then you are done. From that day, onwards, money will stay in your hand, money will locate you, money will be your friend. In fact, you will be rich. You will be richer than before. You can see that there is a vast difference as compared to then. That is what it is. So try this one and thank me later. It works magic. It is super powerful. It's no joke, money remedy. This one, it does not involve any risk and it has no side effects. So don't be afraid that if I do this, maybe it might have a side effect. No, it has no side effect. So try your possible best and do this. Thank you. Let me translate it to my local language. Yeah. Abusia dia me pesa me chene se uye obi a sika entra wo nsam wotimo se uye adwumaden pa uye adwuma te se sebe aboa osono nanso no wakatua no eba te se sebe aboa entatia wotimo se adwuma na wo ye no enye eho akatua na wonya no. Yes, ade bia wode wo nsa beka no most of time e sika nanso sika ne ba wo nsam ma sika no entimi ngina me papa consultia ha minia ba minia bema. Yes, try say ade ya me chiri obeye ebebo afa yo nipa bi wo ha sika de ka say wo nya sika wo moti say yes sika ba ni nsam ankasa enso sika no ba ni nsam ohun de obeye na sika no ahye na sika no avanish into a thin air eno na me chiri wo say pe banche ahaban. Yes, banche ahaban e super powerful herbs e ahaban bi atumi akura no anoti tumi no emote what you say enti no what dey pay bunch haba because sika ade bia sunsun. Sika is not just like that. That is why in phobia na etimi command sika. Yes, say obi sebe akwaji sika true bisa mo say nipa na anya aduma enso sika no etimi buy and otimi ye am sika no e buy into reality den we e kire wo say sika den eye sunsumadi sika eye honhom sika eye spirit. And before say obetimi a control sika no e wo say unya tumi a ebetimi ama wo control sika e bi say tumi a edi wachi no anase tumi a e wo nsem no enye more powerful a entimi en control sika. And time anytime bia sika ebe drop e wo nsem no ebe vanish into a thing a won tiase enti wo de pie bunch ahaban. Yes, bunch ahaban no pebebre and pebebre. We na bunch ahaban na wa pe a black soup. Make a black soup and make it a lot similar. Indeed, we na bunch ahaban black soup and now the bunch ahaban no a wardrobe na wa walk. Yes, what man and fit after say one walk a year no what we say I like maybe a woman a drone a year. Not what the a lot similar no na one and but over a lot similar for normal one and fun be brave because you be useful for only 7 days. What you say, and the body others and woman our walk a man of walk a man fear. Not like a woman mix it rather, woman mix it to a bunch haban, mix no way to bunch haban. One out to say they are uniformly mixed, no meaning I'm mixed here. Now what it is at the send you would be and a container be a deep out in say a come at the one, not what it is with the Gumuria now with the wappy baby at the idea. I was share and I said a baby Eddie. I could see what you see, the baby fuck could see. Yes, said you may would tell waiting there could see would tell now just say it's for 3 days. After 3 days, no, you obey no. Every day, Piana said, the Pia obeda, sorry, no, not with the hair soap, and I see ran. What the rooms are not what Empire said. If I said, Minesika, Masika, Embra himself, Minesika, Scabamis, Mamascano, Intimania, the Antana, and I said, Ingina, Mascano, and vanish just like that. And my men spend Sika anyhow, and any Empire according to. A panya ofaso pesa ofaso na unyesika a panya opesa ofaso na ukontrosika a panya opesa ofaso na onsono obeye billionaire oyiso oyesika ni wacha se bo empire ni sa ka wonsem nyina ka nsem no ye ni sa for 7 days e da bia obesori no woda sori ana why and sa wodi semra no akoko wonsa na waka wonsem ade chi ana wasa yensa na waka wonsem ye ni sa for 7 days 7 days But within the 7 days, make sure say obey you Simran in because Simran you use Emma a pink cat in Fabi NCS that Chini so and I say I mean the Yamea to matter for and schools Yanisa and we Yanisana will be so for 7 days. Yeah, after 7 days now, so what is really then watch out for your result and change result. We will say indeed there is power in nature. We will say indeed no. Kupana obo sonya sa sel kasi ni di anaba na yemfa na haban no ensa ye mo yade no onye ni pa no di atro di akanyi na na yede e ba na do kan no so no eye no kwe fact to me ewa haban but adabia me ka say nyankopon no obo wiase no mu nyoma nyina no what the code and I say secret code e to bibia so it is left with us say be the code what you see to unya code ni say ya so unya key no dia and that is you are good to go. Abshian me da say what the brain na kwahwe video no amana video. I see you next time in my next video. But unya subscribe here, don't forget hit subscribe button no now turn on bell notification no for the latest update. Now like now share ama for friends and maybe action me da see you next time.